Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a JPG image using your mobile device. Whether you need to extract an image from a PDF document or just want to convert a PDF into JPEG on your Android or iOS device, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. So this is our PDF file. You can see it contains some text and image as well. There are several options to convert this PDF file into JPG, but for this tutorial we will use a free online PDF to JPG converter tool. So open the link given in the video description. So once you open it, click on Select PDF file and locate the PDF file that you want to convert. Once PDF file is uploaded, so this is our PDF file. Click on Convert to JPG. It's converting PDF to JPG. Now click on Download JPG Images button. So click on it. So open the file. So this is the newly converted JPEG file. So you have successfully converted your PDF file into a JPG right on your mobile device. As this was a single page PDF, so there is only one JPG file. If there are multiple pages in your PDF file, then the downloaded file will be in the zip format. You can check the link on screen and also in the video description on how to open zip file on your mobile device. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more updates.